Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to install these aftermarket wheel covers on the 2014 Ford Taurus. So these are 18-inch wheel covers and they are quite popular. This is something I often use on the vehicles that come without alloy rims, and I'm selling those vehicles. And this brand and this type of wheel covers usually look very good. They are very easy to install, they hold good, you don't have to remove the wheel to install those wheel covers, and people seem to like them. Some other brands I tried like to crack while you push them onto the wheel, but this brand is quite good quality and I never had any kind of problem with them. Okay, so first I will show you how to prepare the wheel cover to have it installed. So you will have 4 wheel covers, then you will have 4 metal rings, and you will have 4 of these plastic ring connectors. Now the first thing you want to do, you want to connect this ring using these plastic red connectors. Now these connectors will have 3 different sizes actually, depending on the type of your steel rim on your vehicle, but typically you want to use the middle hole. Middle hole is something that should fit, and that should be like ideal, but if it's too tight and you can't clip it in, or if it's too loose once you install it, then you can adjust it. You can even see here on this red connector you have like 3 lines: small line, middle size line, and the large line. So the wider you go, the more loose your wheel cover will be. And now once this is connected, you want to align this vent opening with the vent opening on the rim. And once you do that, now again you'll have to insert this metal ring into one of the openings. Now you have again 2 sizes here. You have the upper one, which is the wider one, looser one, and the bottom one, which is more tight. Now this again something you will have to play with. Like typically again I always put it onto the upper one, you see, under the upper opening, just like this, and that should clip in nicely on any vehicle. But in some cases, if your steel rim is I don't know, a bit different or something, then you might want to go to the lower opening and then it will fit more tight. So if you install it this way and your wheel cover is quite loose, then you want to go one step lower. So this is something you just have to play with. So you have these 2 options here, and you have those options on this red connector. Okay, so I had to use both of my hands to complete this, and as you can see, all of these are in at the upper opening. And now this wheel cover is ready to get installed. To install the cover, you first want to align this vent opening with the vent itself, and then you'll have to just press it in, because you see these plastic tabs will just have to sit behind the rim here, and that's gonna hold it. That's why I said if you keep pushing it and it doesn't go in, doesn't want to click, then you'll have to maybe adjust the level of the ring or this connector to give it more space, or to tighten it up. Really depends on the type of your rim and on the vehicle. So this is something you'll have to deal with, but it's quite easy to do. Usually if you just go with the middle holes, that's it. Okay, now to completely install this wheel cover, I'll have to use both of my hands, unfortunately, but the idea is you just want to keep pushing it all around until it sits behind the rim, and that's it. Okay, and this is how you do it. It literally takes less than 5 minutes per wheel cover, and it sits nice and firm, and that's it. There is no way this can fall off if you installed it properly. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.